Hey there. I'm down at Virginia Beach. We are down here for the Burn Vision Retreat, and we are waiting on 10 ladies to come and have a great time. We've got candles. Can you see them? I mean, they're gorgeous. We've got food, got a little bit of wine. We have some water, but most importantly, we've got love. And so I'm sorry you weren't able to make it this time, but we're gonna keep showing you things all weekend so that you will be ready next year. Now, I'm saying next year, but we'll probably do this again because the beach is the beach is the beach. Have a great Friday evening. I wish you were here. Bye-bye.
You guys just look fabulous. Oh, look at y'all looking good. Just walk past me. Just walk past me. Just, oh, yes, Ty, yes.